Hey guys, we are going to be doing a reading assignment that you have. It is read the passage and answer the questions. And your passage is about homes of the first settlers. So you are going to read this passage to yourself, and then we're going to answer some multiple choice questions about it. So if you want to pause the video now so that you can read the passage, and then we'll move on with answering the questions. Make sure you read it carefully, and if you need to read it twice, you can do that so you don't miss anything. All right, question number 1. What is the main idea of paragraph 5? So you are very lucky because they have numbered the paragraphs for you. So for this answer, all you have to do is you have to go back and you have to find the number 5, because that will be paragraph 5, and choose which one is the main idea for this paragraph. Is it A, how and where grass houses were built? Is it B, why grass houses were taller than wigwams? Is it C, why long prairie grass was used in grass houses? Or D, how the grass houses looked like wigwams? What was the main idea of paragraph 5? All right, question number 2. According to the author, which type of house lasted a long time? Is it F, wigwams, G, wattle and daub, H, grass houses, or J, cliff dwellings? So you can go back in the text and figure out which one the author said which house lasted a long time. And y'all just be careful when y'all choose your answer choice and make sure these are not in a F, G, H, J order. So just make sure when you choose it, you make sure you choose the right one. I just noticed that as I was reading it. All right, question number 3. Which statement summarizes the section reservations? So you have to go back in the passage and you have to find the heading that says reservations, and then you have to tell me which statement summarizes that section. Is it A, only some Native Americans do not live the way the rest of the Native Americans live? Is it B, the protected land for the Native Americans is called a reservation? C, Native Americans continue to live in regular homes like the rest? Or D, today some Native Americans live on protected land called reservations, which help protect the culture. So you choose A, B, C, or D. All right, the next question, number 4. In this section, what are dwellings? So you have to give me the definition of what a dwelling is. All right, is it F, hangings, G, heights, H, homes, or J, constructions? Which is a dwelling? Number 5. Which summarizes paragraph 1? So once again, go back and find the number 1, read the paragraph, and then we're going to answer which of these sentences summarizes that first paragraph. A, Native Americans were the first settlers in the United States. B, a Native American person belongs to a place because he or she is born there. C, some first settlers are called indigenous people of a region. D, natives of a place belong to the place by birth. I'm going to read those again. All right, so which summarizes paragraph 1? A, Native Americans were the first settlers in the United States. B, a native person belongs to a place because he or she is born there. C, some first settlers are called indigenous people of a region. Or D, natives of a place belong to the place by birth. All right, number 6. Which statement summarizes the text? So, what is a good one-sentence summary of the entire text? Is it F, native tribes built different kinds of houses based on where they lived and what they needed? Is it G, Native Americans built 4 types of homes using different materials? Is it H, many tribes of Native Americans first settled in the U.S. and built different types of homes, but now some live on protected land? Or is it J, Native Americans belong to America by birth and live on protected land? All right, guys, we got 2 more left. All right, this is question number 7. How does the author show that the cliff dwellings were cleverly built? Okay. A, by mentioning that the Anasazi tribe built the cliff dwellings. B, by describing how getting in the house from outside was difficult. C, by stating that people used ladders to build the cliff dwellings. Or D, by explaining why the cliff dwellings were built in the Southwest. All right, guys, this is the last question. Y'all have done a great job. Why were wigwams built with wood? Is it F, the homes also used woven mats? G, they were dome or cone-shaped? H, there were plenty of forest in the area? Or J, they were built in the Great Lake region? Okay. Why were wigwams built with wood? All right, guys, thank y'all so much for staying focused and sticking with it, okay? I'm proud of y'all.